Alright, for week 7 here, for the balloon geometry, I'm hopefully going to do this correctly, but I have my book open here to help guide me through these domain geometries. So for the first one, we're going to do the Trigonal planner. So for each of these, I have my 3 balloons blown up here. So you can see Trigonal planner is like this. It's got a total number of 3 electron domains. It is an AB2 molecule. The geometry is a trigonal planner. It's got 1 lone pair. And an example of this would be SO2. So this would be the trigonal planner for geometry. So if we add 1 in there, so if we go to 4, or a tetrahedral, let me blow up another balloon here. Okay, so I included another balloon here, and as we can see, they're all meeting at a central point here where my hands are at, and that central point. So this would be for a total number of 4 electron domains. The type of molecule would be an AB3. It's a tetrahedral. It's got 1 lone pair. The molecular geometry is a trigonal pyramid, and then an example of this is NH3. So I'm going to blow up another one for 5. Alright, so I have my 5 electron domains here, and as we can see, 5 electron domains. This is the AB4 molecule. The electron domain geometry is a trigonal bipyramidal. It's got 1 lone pair. And then an example of this would be SF4. All right, so then we're going to move on to number 6. Alright, so then I added number 6 by the blue there. So it looked kind of like this, all still meeting in the middle. So this would be number of electron domains is 6. Type of molecule is an AB5. The electron domain geometry is octahedral, and it would have one lone pair. An example of this would be BRF5. I think that's it. Hopefully I did this correctly. Thank you.